Here at Survival Mode, let's do this. Now, this Sunday meal prep is very simple. I only did one recipe. I wanted steak or some kind of meat over rice with green beans, and that's what I did. I made it up as I went. I added cumin, um, salt and pepper, garlic, onion powder, all that kind of stuff into the pot. I made just a quick gravy. It went into the oven for 2 hours. It came out. Oh my gosh, y'all! It is like, I thought maybe I didn't have enough gravy, and I was like, no, I do. But I added some cornstarch and water and stuff just to give it a little bit more, stretch it a little bit farther. This is Andi about to try it. I think she was pleasantly surprised. She was like, you have to make this again. I was like, well, I made it up, so hopefully I'll remember it. Bo is doing laundry right now, so I didn't get a shot of him trying it, but I tried it also, and I was like, heck yeah, this is freaking awesome. Everybody's on their own this week with breakfast. Everybody is on their own. Yeah, see, I'm like, heck yeah. Everybody is on their own because it's Thanksgiving week. We have enough going on. Boom. Clocking out.